Black Friday and Cyber Monday, as well as the holiday season at the end of each year, are some of the most profitable times for e-commerce sellers. But there's an overlooked season that can land you extra income during summer and fall. Which one is it? It's the back-to-school shopping season. The total back-to-school spending is expected to reach an all-time high this year, $37.1 billion. That's huge. If you're thinking, I'd love to participate, but I'm not selling kids stuff, so I'm out. Don't click away from this video. This season is not just about kids and teens. It's also about young adults and teachers preparing for the new study year in colleges and universities. And on top of that, you don't have to sell products that are directly related to the back-to-school season, like backpacks and notebooks. Even if you sell activewear or home decor, this can be an immensely profitable season for your store. There's a lot of spending that goes on during the back-to-school shopping. However, the back-to-school preparation period is pretty short, and the time to get ready is now. So I've gathered the best and most effective back-to-school marketing ideas that you can take to get the most out of it. Hey, I'm Michael. Happy to see you here. Now that you know how important the back-to-school season is, let's start by looking at when it actually begins. Now, the best time to start your back-to-school marketing campaign preparations depend on the region you sell in. Let's see when the school year starts around the globe. In the United States, preparations begin from mid-July to mid-September, depending on the state. Canadians get ready for the new school year in early September. If you're selling in Europe, majority of countries start preparing before September. Japan gets started on April 1st. For the Southern Hemisphere, back-to-school season is January and February. But what does it mean for you? You have to start preparing back-to-school products, campaigns, and other incentives about a month before to make sure you have products and marketing activities ready by the time people start shopping. The earlier you jump on the bandwagon, the more new customers you can expect. First things first. Create a separate category for back-to-school products on your online store. It's an effective way to make sure your customers will be able to easily find back-to-school related products. For most platforms and marketplaces, these categories can be implemented by applying a filter to all the items that are suitable for your back-to-school product collection. Filtering your products will make all other marketing efforts work better, as people who come to your store will have an easy way to search for products they need. Good experience with your store is one of the simplest ways to get people to make a purchase and come back for more. Now, whether you create products with new designs or add existing ones to the back-to-school category is up to you. You can introduce existing products as a good fit for back-to-school shoppers. To make these products even more special, you can offer your customers an option to personalize them. Here's an example of a poster that originally says, "Dear Bed, I love you." So customers can order a poster that expresses their love for anything in their lives, be it bed, coffee, or a slice of good pizza. It's also a good idea to launch new school-related products, like a special collection, just for this occasion. Just like with the previous example, you can let your customers personalize their products. In case you want to create some school or study-themed product designs, you can take a look at these school-related clip art we offer in our Design Maker. There are quite a lot of pretty designs for you to choose from. Head over to the Design Maker to create best-selling products fast. Run a special offer. When looking for their back-to-school essentials, customers are searching for the best deal. And that's where you can come in with a special offer they won't be able to resist. Think about what offer would work for your store the best. Would that be free shipping or perhaps a giveaway? If you need some ideas for back-to-school promotions, here are a few to help you get started. Everyone loves a good deal, so make sure you offer your customers something they can't refuse. A good rule of thumb is to set a deadline for your offer. That way you're creating a sense of urgency. A good deal will seem even better if people feel that it's there for a limited amount of time. So, for example, you can set up a flash sale for the last week of the back-to-school season for those customers who haven't yet purchased everything they need. A huge discount on the sale and the limited amount of time to purchase these products will seem like a deal that's too good to pass. Try it out and see for yourself. So what are bundles and how can your store benefit from them? You can create a bundle by combining several products into a package deal for a reduced price. It's a good way for customers to save some time looking for several different products and get a bargain. And it's especially great for you as your customers will spend more in your store. For example, you can offer a notebook design for students and create a set of study-related stickers that match the cover design. Hosting giveaways is another great way to increase sales for your back-to-school products. A giveaway is a limited time promotion where you offer a prize to one or more lucky participants who have followed your giveaway rules. Consider offering your most popular product or set of products that would be super useful to your customers. But keep in mind that your giveaway should be easy to enter and the prizes should be worth the effort, meaning don't ask people to fill out a 20-question survey to win a 5% discount. You can run a giveaway on your social media by asking your customers to follow your account and share one of your posts for a chance to win a coupon or a product in return. That would get your brand exposed, which could lead to a surge in sales. Send out a promotional email. If you've created a newsletter for your customers, consider writing a promotional email to let people know about the back-to-school offers on your store. You can even combine 2 marketing strategies and send out a promotional email with a discount code that people can use on your store. Delivering such an email will bring your customers value as it will save them money on back-to-school products. And last but not least, create back-to-school content on social media. Social media is a great place to showcase your beautiful back-to-school collection to a wider audience and promote your special offers. In addition to showing off your products, you can create funny or useful content to make the start of the season easier for those who are about to begin the new school year. Now, specific content ideas depend on who's your audience. If, for example, you want to sell cute backpacks and mouse pads for small children, your main customers will be their parents and caretakers. So you can share some ideas on how to get the kiddos excited for the new school year, or maybe inspiration for fun lunchbox recipes. If you're trying to reach college goers, give some tips that can help them to prepare for life on campus, like time management hacks. Or you can share some ideas on how students can decorate their dorms with the home and living products you offer. Which tips did you find the most interesting and useful? Are you considering participating in the back-to-school season with your store? To learn more about which products sell best during the back-to-school season, take a look at this video. I'm super interested whether or not you guys are going to prepare your store for those returning to school this year, so please let me know in the comments. Bye, and see you next time.